A little-known National Rifle Association program offers insurance to cover policyholders' costs should they become, I guess the term would be, embroiled in a legal battle after shooting someone in what they claim to be self-defense. This is basically stand your ground insurance, okay? And the insurance is technically only endorsed by the NRA. It's administered by Lockton Affinity, exclusively for NRA members, though. It's available as a rider to the excess personal liability plan. And here's how the whole thing is advertised on the website, okay? What's covered? Provides coverage up to the limit selected for criminal and civil defense costs. Cost of civil suit defense is provided in addition to the limit of liability of bodily injury and property damage. And criminal defense reimbursement is provided for alleged criminal actions involving self-defense when you are acquitted of criminal charges or the charges are dropped. This would cost you, depending on which page you look at, between $47 and $67 annually for coverage up to $100,000 to $250,000. The NRA, of course, pushed the creation of all of these stand your ground laws. The NRA has pushed a number of other more relaxed gun ownership laws. So it makes sense that they should also offer an insurance plan. So when you decide you're just standing your ground and you shoot someone, and then you get arrested, and then you go to trial, if you are acquitted, let's give them the benefit of the doubt, Lewis. If you're found guilty, this insurance will not cover you. But if you end up being acquitted, you can get your legal defense covered up to whatever limit you pay for. Is this not insurance for killing someone?
Well, I guess it's insurance for killing someone in self-defense. I mean, if you're found guilty, you're not covered.
So you're perfectly fine with this. You don't find there to be any conflict of interest between the laws that the NRA is passing and them offering this insurance being offered exclusively to NRA members, and the idea that this would, here's my problem with this. This is really the problem. If you know you have this insurance, I understand that if you're guilty, you're guilty, and that's the insurance doesn't work. But if you know you have this insurance and you know your legal defense would be covered, doesn't it make you at least marginally more relaxed in when you decide that the barometer has been met to pull the trigger in what you believe to be self-defense? Aren't you going to be a little more relaxed in figuring that out? What do you think, Natan?
Yeah, I think that from the point of view of preventing crime and deterring crime, this is, the wrong side of history.
I don't know crime's the right word, because if you're acquitted, it wasn't a crime. But from the point of view of preventing people from being shot.
Yes, I misspoke.
Yeah.
What I was thinking was preventing people from dying.
There you go.
That's what I meant.
Is the problem this, or is the problem stand your ground laws in general? I mean, of course the NRA is going to offer something like
this.
this.
The problem is very broad.
Yeah.
No question about it. On today's bonus show, because the show doesn't end when the show ends, there's a whole other bonus show hosted by producer Lewis. Adidas cancels their shackle shoes because of complaints saying that it was too reminiscent of slavery. Creationists in South Korea forced the removal of evolution from textbooks, and plenty more. Become a David Pakman Show member. davidpakman.com/membership. We'll be back after this.
The David Pakman Show at davidpakman.com.